There was just this musical vibes from very early. And I didn't know say this me want, especially when the legendary Tiger, when we were a little youth, used to drive past.
Yeah.
There was this rhythm. There was this rhythm. Boom, 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 boom. I think that I would have a tune on it, but me is a girl come from country.
That's Sister Charmaine.
Sister Charmaine, me say.
Yeah.
When Tiger played that loud pass in him car, me say me. You see when I see pick them out, them a go on up Tiger, me say, me want that. That. Me want that. You, I shall come fit me Tiger, you're gonna know me one day. You are going Tiger. Me want that. You understand that from that is what it was just on, it's a bugger behind me. We used to do this, we used to have this habit where we used to like play music, lie down on my bed, shake your head so. Sometimes I drop asleep, sometimes I didn't. But it was a thing where me just play the music when I like and I shake my head. So I just picture myself on a big bike and I picture myself I drive a big car and I picture myself in a big house and them thing there.
Yeah.
Me used to do that from a small. You understand?
Yeah.
With the tune them, I love me. I picture myself say, I'm me a Tiger and I'm me have on that big chain. Them man used to have some chain where I drive them a broken.
What? And all the big
big bracelets and some chaparita reach up under the arm, you know. What? Me say, no, man.
Yeah.
No, sir. And big girl just can't say nothing bad about Tiger. Me say, this is it.
Yeah.
This is it. And this should happen to me with Michelle.
Yeah.
Me want this.
Yeah. And so it was the influence of actually seeing Tiger, a live big artist in the area that gave you that say, this is what I want.
But what cemented it was when the legendary Papa San out a place with them about the time at Chisholm Avenue name. Reggae Colosseum. I'm telling you, I see him, the same Providence type of era. I said, wait. Did Papa San stop? And there was this hot, we used to try going at the dance there. We used to pick up buckle. We used to go every dance, go pick up buckle. Every promoter want to kill me. You see me? Every promoter know a twin them come pick up buckle. Look out for them. You see me?
The twins.
Between them come pick up buckle.
Yeah.
You have to kill them. They must stop a profits.
Yeah.
You get me? I say, we did good at it, man. Sick. You get, that's not to go on in a garrison. And we used to go in a dance them and thing, but, at this of us, we see Lady Saw. At this of us, we call Lady Saw was like a short girl who come from country. Them time she a young artist. But then put her up on a big glamour way and put her up on a beer box. And tell her if we sing and the whole place shell down and at this of us say, whoa.
Yeah.
And Papa Sandy stop. I asked if we are twin.
Okay.
I said, not twin. I said, yeah, man, and thing on the dog. I said, what do and what? I said, so more them time I'm alone. I did. I said, so I want to be an artist and Ray. And him say, you have to love it. You have to love it. You have to stick with it no matter what nobody wants to say. You have to fight with it or something. So you have to love it. Say, run left it. Juvenile. Because that was his word.
Yeah.
Juvenile, I'm telling you, you have to love it. And this was a man who I see, I will survive. I'm on TV. Them time I chat to the dog or something stay.
Yeah. Because it's huge.
And some stay. Papa Sandy talk to me. She, what the word them there? Yeah. Me, we are chatterbox. What the word them there? Me don't know what to do.
Yeah.
So me didn't know in myself, this music have to be it. Music have to be it.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.